Next question is, life doesn't make any sense without interdependence. We need each other. We need each other. And the sooner we learn, it is better for us. See, we all are interdependent on each other. That's why it's called society. In the society, the community, the family, the people are interdependent on each other. Nobody is living in isolation. So isolation, if the people are there, yes, so they are becoming more unsocial, yes. And man is a social animal as per Aristotle. Yes, we all are social animal. We require each other. We require each other. So hence, let's see interdependence. So interdependence can be shown on the basis of maybe a story. You have read a story or maybe heard a story where there is an old man who was ultimately thinking about how to deal with his 4 sons who were fighting with each other. So he called them, taught them a lesson of unity and interdependence on the basis of what? Bundle of sticks, yes. So that means that story is a way of telling that we can progress further on the basis of what? Coordination, collaboration, interdependence only. So here let's start. Yes, let's start. Yes, so story. So it can be started with a story like the old man giving lesson of unity and interdependence to his quarreling sons. Yes. So it's a very popular story. Yes. So it can be a story. Further, you can put a quote. Yes. Man is by nature a social animal. That is Aristotle. So hence we have to live in a situation or a condition or an environment of interdependence, and that is the best for us. Further example, even when we talk about women upliftment programs, they are now being designed, promoted on the basis of what? SHG based interventions, self-help group based interventions. Now what is an SHG? It's basically a group comprising of 10 women or maximum 20 women. The purpose is teamwork, the purpose is interdependency, dealing with various personal, social, economic issues in a collective mode. Yes, interdependency. So SHG based intervention for women upliftment. So it's basically interdependence basically symbolizes teamwork. Yes, it's a sign of teamwork. So teamwork is a sign of interdependence and is visible from international to community and family levels to achieve collective goals. So interdependency is required at all the levels, from the topmost level, international levels, okay, coming down to community level to the family level. Yes, the lowest unit of a group. Yes, that is family. So that means required at all the level. That is why comes the importance of United Nations. Now comes the importance of what? Achieving climate change and SDG goals. All these climate change goals and the SDG goals can only be achieved when there is more interdependency and collaboration across the nations and within the nation. Now global and regional groups are the signs of what? Interdependency. Yes. Global and regional groups. Now interdependency in what? Maybe the daily activities. Let's see. At workplaces they are required. Yes, so at workplaces we can only move forward, we can only produce results when we are collaborating with each other. So hence interdependency is the key to success at workplaces. Okay, not what backbiting against each other. Yes. Further in sports, so sports we all know everyone is interdependent on each other for a teamwork. SHG, unions and group work are the various signs of what? Interdependency. Now community groups, neighbors, yes, and friends. So we should be having good working relationship with our neighbors, good relationships. So we require each other in case of what maybe certain requirements, certain health emergency situations. Yes, so we are interdependent on each other, even within the families. Yes, so we should be living in a family which is on talking terms, lesser the disputes, settling the disputes. Yes, so all these requires what? Yes, more interdependency. Now benefits. Yes, So what are the benefits of what? Maybe a teamwork or an approach which is based on what? Depending on each other, interdependency, yes, or cooperation. So helps in inclusion, first of all. Interdependency brings everyone together, helps in inclusion. Promote more participation. Okay, so more people are participating and contributing. That means the work is becoming better, faster, speedier. Work is becoming better, faster, speedier. Resolution of misunderstanding. It also leads to resolution of various misunderstanding. So when we are not talking to each other, when there's what lack of communication or what, or maybe stopping of communication, so what happens? We grow biases against each other. So now, but when we are what interacting, when we are interdependent, naturally even the misunderstandings can be diluted or can be eliminated. So resolution of misunderstanding. Problem solving, it becomes a part of social education that we should be working as a team, yes. So people learn the art of what? Inclusion, participation, problem solving, and what? Moving together, social education. And hence promote more peace and stability in society. More peace and stability in society, and achieving the goal of fraternity. The goal of fraternity as mentioned in the preamble of the Constitution. Now, but when we are moving away from interdependency, when we are in isolation and seclusion, yes. So normally what happens? No communication, not on talking terms. So what happens? Biases grow, hatred grow, social unculturalism grow, more disputes, quarrels, even wars, or even what? Personal depression, yes, personal depression. When we are in isolation, not on talking terms, so we are also in a depressed state of mind. So that means we are social animal. We require interdependency at all the levels to progress. Yes. So this is the answer. Very simple answer.